Come with us to do Remi's weekly trach change. First things first, we gotta get rid of these old ties. Now that the trach is exchanged out, we have to clean up her neck real good where her old ties were at. After it's all cleaned up, we'll add the new ties on and work our way around. We add a special cream to keep her neck protected. Remi is not very fond of this whole process, but it has to be done. Once it's all done and the ties are connected, we have to check to make sure they're not too tight. Last but not least, we have to clean up around the site. We'll use 4 sterile wet Q-tips and then 4 dry to make sure it's clean. Finally, we'll add the split gauze around it to make sure to catch any drainage. Tonight we also had to change out her Mickey button as it has to be done every 3 months. And it's pretty much the same process from swapping it out and cleaning it up. Here you'll see us adding water to fill the balloon inside to hold it in place.